Welcome to iPundit Solutions. Today, the STAAD to DWG utility is being presented. This standalone custom command is designed to create both 2D fabrication drawings and 3D models from a STAAD file. The command is initiated by typing STD to DWG in any drawing within a 2D or 3D CAD software that supports DWG files. Once the command is executed, a form named Stad To Dwg appears. The form consists of three main sections: file selection, 3D preview, and model info. The file selection section includes two key options. The first option is input std file, where the user selects the STAAD file path. The second option is output DWG, where the user defines the output location for the DWG files. By default, the utility automatically suggests an output path based on the location of the selected STAAD file. The 3D preview section allows the user to visualize the structure as a 3D wireframe. The user can zoom in, zoom out, and rotate the model for better understanding. The model info section displays important data extracted from the STAAD file, including nodes, members, valid elements, skipped elements, units, and job details. This helps the user verify the accuracy of the data before proceeding. After reviewing all the details, the user is presented with two options: Convert to DWG and Export BOM. The Convert to DWG option generates both 2D fabrication drawings and 3D model files, while the Export BOM option creates a bill of materials in an Excel file. When the user clicks on the Convert to DWG button, a message box appears confirming that the conversion has been completed successfully. As demonstrated, the 2D fabrication drawings and 3D model files are successfully created. Additionally, all elements in the model are generated as smart blocks. The user can select any block in the drawing and use the xdlist command to quickly verify its extended properties. Now, take a look at the generated 2D drawing. It includes both an elevation view and a top view of the structure, along with an automatically generated bill of materials. In this drawing as well, every block is a smart block. That means even here, the user can use the xdlist command to verify the extended properties of any selected component. Thank you.